Don't you just love that intro? I do. Hello everyone again. This is part 2 of NSX-T Multisite demo. Um, today, in this video, I'm going to show you a ping and traceroute test to demonstrate the normal operation between two sites using NSX-T 2.4 in an active standby deployment. So just to give you some primer, this is a simplified data plane drawing where I have a DC1, site 1, and a DC2. And here you can see that I have top frag switches here, I have a tier 0 deployed in DC1. I have another tier 0 deployed in DC2. Watch the subnets here, so 192.168.113 and 114. And in DC2 I'm using 123 and 124, so there's a 2 in here, right? So as you can see here, I also have a logical switch or a segment, NSX-T segment, where I have two VMs on. One VM is sitting in DC1, which has the IP address 172.16.10.11, and the other VM sitting in DC2 has an IP address 172.16.10.13. It's the same segment, same network. So the actual goal of this demo is to show you the normal operation without any disasters. And what you will see is that this VM here needs to talk with this IP address here, and it will go through the tier 1, through the tier 0, pick one of these two top rack switches, and then effectively go into the cloud or the core, and then it will reach its destination. So for the other VM here, sitting on DC2, you'll see, ending with the 13, you'll see that it has no option to go through this site here. So it will go through the overlay. It will hit the tier 1, tier 0, pick one of these two top frag switches, and then effectively it will go over there. So you will see that this VM here will be hairpinned, and all the northbound traffic will be sent across data center 1. Okay? So let's do the demo. Let me first see if I need to log in. So what's relevant for this demo is that we have a console open of these two VMs. Okay? So one ending with 11, one ending with 13. You switch back. So this is my data center 1 vCenter server, and this is my data center 2 vCenter server. So here you see that I'm already on it. You can see the IP address here, catched by VMware tools, 172.16.10.11. Let me open this console here. And let me do a quick IP check just to be sure that we have the correct IP address, 172.16.10.11, which is fine. And we are going to do a trace route towards the external machine. So the external machine has the IP address 192.168.99.100. Okay, let's do that. Now the traceroute has finished. You can see here in the number 3, you can see that the IP address 192.168.113.231. That means that it's taken the only path that it actually knows. So this is, let me go back to my diagram. So the path that it has chosen, it's chosen the 113 here, 113, and eventually it reached its destination. Okay, so now let's do a traceroute ping from this machine here. So the expectation is that it will go through the overlay and then hairpin to DC1 and effectively hit its destination here. Let's open the console for the 13. And here you can see 172.16.10.13. Let's verify the IP address again. And it's 172.16.10.13. Let's do the traceroute again. So the traceroute has finished again, and you can see that again in number 3 you can see 192.168.113.231. So the traffic is hairpinned to this site here. So from site 2 all the way to site 1 towards the destination. So this video was only to prove the normal operation mode in an active standby mode.